Okay guys, my camera shut off, so evidently it's got a timer on it that I have no clue about. So where we left off in the last video was I was getting to give you a walk around what I've got so far and what it looks like right now. Still got a lot of work to do to it, but here's a little walk around of what it looks like right now. I haven't done very much to it, so I'll explain to you. In the last video, you just seen me tack that fender on. So we're going to be building the front end up. Here's my homemade bumper that I've made. You know, it's a pretty good little bumper. And there's the motor that's in it. I am going to have exhaust on it. You can see right there where I've already built the downpipe for this side. It's made out of 1-inch tube. Dual axles, and both axles will pull. But this is not going to have these tires on it. I'm going to put new tires on it. A lot better tires than what's on it. There's my sling, homemade sling. No, I don't have the winch on it yet. I've still got to put the winch on it. Got a back bumper. As you can see down there, it's got some lights on the bottom. I have lights up here on the light bar. It's got tail lights up here, and it's got a work light to be able to see behind it. It's got tail lights down there. You know, it's a work in progress. Builds like this take time. They're not a rush project. They're not something that you can rush, because it does take time. So, you know. And this has been a very long process. I started it about the end of last summer or early fall. Can't remember exactly when, but there you guys go. I'm gonna upload these videos here in a little bit, and you guys will have new update videos on the tow tractor project. And I'll give you guys more of a video and more update later on down the road when I get more pretty weather. Hopefully maybe I can figure out my camera settings or figure out how to make a longer video, and then we'll make a pretty good video of me working on the tow tractor. Y'all have fun.